A wild Wednesday indeed. Major market indicators up first thing in the morning and then hanging onto those gains throughout the day. The Dow happily hits another all-time high as corporate earnings seem mostly better than expected. Intel, for instance, rewards chipper earnings numbers with a 9% stock gain. In China, we find the world's second largest economy sporting a 7+% gain, far ahead of anything the U.S. has seen in years. At this pace, China won't be number 2 for long. Our own Dow Industrial Index adds less than 0.5%, as the Nasdaq jumps less than 0.25%. The dollar is up against the euro and the yen. Oil adds $1.36 a barrel. Gasoline futures drop 2 cents. Local gas remains the same. Gold tacks on $1.90 an ounce. And winners slightly ahead of losers at the New York Stock Exchange. Well, let's hope for even better when I return tomorrow night, right here on News 13's Live at 5.